Welcome to this TIPCHECK tool tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through the part 1, how to create your TIPCHECK report. Part 2 will show how to create a report template. But let's now start with, you did your TIPCHECK, you have your project here, and you want to write now your report. For this, we click on the Actions menu and we go to the project report. We see everything is empty and we need to write a project description. What we train now in the TIPCHECK trainings is to use ChatGPT or Copilot or any other artificial intelligence text writing support you can use. So let's go to the ChatGPT. You see here, I was asking, I need a quick description for a TIPCHECK report. And in a fraction of a second, I got this wonderful text. Oops. Then going back to the TIPCHECK tool, I copy and paste my project description into this field. The next field is asking for equipment. In an extra Word document, I prepared this, that you don't need to watch me typing, infrared camera, and all the stuff which I'm usually using. And then you see here we have add new content point, where we can add if we want to say more. But this I will more go into detail when we in the next tutorial where I show how to create your TIPCHECK report template. So let's do it like this for now. What you see here is that you have a page break before and after functionality. You can already imagine if this is activated, it makes a page break. If it's deactivated, it doesn't make a page break. So let me just show you the result if this is activated for this TIPCHECK report tutorial as it is here. So in this report here, you see that after the executive summary, it necessarily makes this page break between the executive summary and the project description, which in this case looks a bit empty. And then if I deactivate this by just clicking the box here, I get actually the results where everything comes after each other. So the executive summary and the project description are on the same page. This gives you just the freedom to design your TIPCHECK report as you wish. And when you're done, you click on Save, and you can print the TIPCHECK report as I did already here, and you get a nice TIPCHECK report with the different information which you put about the client on the project description, with your personal credential, which you did in the expert area, in table of content of what you are using. You will also see here that the methodology of TIPCHECK is explained. Also, the EN 7956 is referenced. You find your equipment, and then you find the summary of the TIPCHECK project, and you see the different pictures per component. That was it for today on how to quickly understand the functionality of the project report part of the TIPCHECK tool. In a second tutorial, I will show you how to work with the template for TIPCHECK reports, which has the beneficial functionality that it's automatically there for any new project which you start. So that, for example, you don't have to, if you always use the same equipment, you don't always have to copy and paste this into your TIPCHECK report. But for this, please look at part 2 of TIPCHECK report. Thanks for watching.